Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel.
Ay, nasi
Struggle lang po din mag-shooting ko eh. Anyways, our project for today is DIY Egyptian Pharaoh Costume. We've already done the headdress, please check the description box for its link. So now, we'll make the Egyptian robe and its accessories like the belt, collar or neck piece, and the wrist pieces or bands. The materials are black, gold, and white satin fabric, sleeveless shirt, and a fabric glue for the accessories. We have 6 hours of power outage today, so I'm doing this DIY at our porch. Clone the shirt by folding both the shirt and fabric in half lengthwise. Place the center front of the shirt on the fold line of the fabric. Trace the shirt on the fabric. I think I should trace a dress for this robe, but since I only have this shirt for this tutorial, just drag the shirt down then trace again. Remove the shirt then pin the fabric before cutting out the robe while giving a half-inch seam allowance. This will keep your fabric together from moving while cutting. Remove the pins and open up the fabric. By the way, before cutting the fabric, I folded it in half crosswise, so automatically I got one for the front and one for the back. I didn't cut the upper part of the fold into fabric as well, so this fold will be for the shoulders. Align the fabric, then sew the seams and the hemline. Cut one strip each of gold and black satin fabric for the accent of the robe. Fold the edges, then sew it along the hems. Next, we'll make the belt. Make sure you have your waist measurements first. Get a black satin fabric with the width of your preference. Fold it lengthwise, facing right sides together, then sew. Turn it inside out after sewing. Cut a strip of gold fabric, fold the edges, pin, and sew it on top of the black fabric. This one is for the front part of the belt. Fold the fabric and draw a pattern that looks like a necktie, then cut while giving seam allowance on the sides. By the way, it's getting dark outside and the electric power is back, so we continue the costume inside. Next, make a loop at the upper part of the fabric. The length should be long enough that it reaches the knee level. Cut 2 strips of this fabric for the front and back, then sew them together. Get the gold strips of fabric again, finish the edges to keep from unraveling, then glue it to the black fabric that looks like a necktie, or shall we call it belt front. Once it's done, insert the waistband through the loophole of the belt front. You can attach any fastener of your preference on the ends of the waistband to close it. Next accessory is for the neck or collar. Create a pattern like this. I am only using a legal paper so the sides of the collar are cut off, but when you trace it on the fabric, continue on the sides until you create a half circle shape. Cut 4 pieces of this half circle shaped fabric. Sew them right sides together by pair. Do not sew all the way so you can turn the fabric inside out. Get the other half circle piece and finally connect them together. But sew only one part. The other part will be left open and attached with snap fasteners, so this collar will be easy to fit through the neck. And for the last accessories of this costume, the wristbands. Cut strips of gold and black satin fabric. The width is maybe 3 inches and the length is just enough to wrap around the wrist. Sew them together like this, and at the ends, attach the hook and loop or touch fasteners. And finally, here's the final product of our DIY Egyptian Pharaoh costume. For the footwear, I just spray painted a pair of rubberized shoes with gold to match the costume colors. By the way, would you believe that I've done this in less than a day? Right, I started this project at 3 p.m. Saturday and continued it on the next day. The whole costume is done at 9 o'clock on that Sunday morning. Indeed, our attitude has an incredible impact towards life. Di magtapol-tapol dash! creativity is 10% inspiration and 90% perspiration. It is putting 100% into whatever I'm doing while having fun. Enjoy the process! To see more of my DIY costumes, please hit the subscribe button and we'll see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching!